Hello everyone. My name is Sharuk and this is my implementation of CS50W's Project 4 network. First up, we have New Post feature. New Post form is displayed only if user is logged in, so let's sign up with a new account. We can also upload a profile picture for our new account which will be shown in our posts, comments and profile. Profile picture is optional and if not uploaded, a default profile picture will be assigned to the user. Now, as we log in, we are redirected to All Posts page and we can create post using form at the top. Let's create a new post. Once post is created, we are redirected to All Posts page and our post appears at the top because posts are displayed in reverse chronological order. All Posts page displays all the posts with post information such as username, post content, time post was created, number of likes and number of comments. We can click on any of user's name and their profile will be displayed. Profile page displays information about that user such as number of followers, number of followings, their posts and follow or unfollow button. Follow/unfollow button is only displayed to other users. If a user opens up their own profile, follow/unfollow button is not shown. If we click on follow or unfollow button, a JavaScript fetch request is sent to the server to toggle follow for that user, and the button's inner HTML is changed accordingly. The followers and followings count is also updated. Next up is the following link in the navbar. The following link is only displayed to logged in users and it takes us to a page where all the posts from current users following are displayed. In other words, all posts from users, whom the current user follows, are displayed in this page. Pagination is displayed on all pages where posts are shown. Django Paginator class is used to create pagination for backend and Bootstrap's pagination is used for frontend. Pagination displays a next and a previous button with page information in the center. If next page is available, next button becomes active, otherwise it's disabled, same for the previous button. We can navigate through 10 posts per page. Next up is the edit page feature. Each post that belongs to the currently logged in user has a settings button on the top right corner. User can use this button to edit their post or delete it. If edit button is clicked, a modal is shown with current post content in a text area. User can edit the post and hit save changes to send a JavaScript fetch request to the server to update the content of the post, and update the post's inner HTML accordingly. Backend ensures that only user, to whom the post belongs, can edit it. Next up we have a like button associated with each post. The like button is either filled or empty, showing whether the user has already liked a post or not. User can toggle their like on any post, which uses JavaScript fetch request to dynamically change the like button, update the likes count and toggle the like in backend as well. Other than these, we can upload a picture when we create a post, which will be displayed with our post. We can also add comments to a post, which also uses fetch requests to dynamically add comments and update comments count as well. We can also delete posts dynamically using delete button in settings drop-down. Similarly, we can delete our own comments from posts dynamically without page reload. This was CS50W's Project 4 network, and thanks for watching.